Hello friends, let's start to search for bonsai plant, and that I'm searching for China rose, and you can see the coxcomb plants. They are growing. You can watch the apple beer nearby. They are growing. I have other video on this apple beer. You can see it. This is selected China rose that I have selected for the for making bonsai, and this is maybe it's a good choice. I have uprooted the plant. You can see the roots, and it is wet soil. I have dug it out. I don't want to mix new soil, but I will use old soil that I have grown Javrina and Coleus. I have other video on the Coleus plants. You can see it. Hibiscus are like they are very good for making multicolored grafting plants, and it is very really good for making bonsais. So here I am mixing the old soil, so they are well organic. There was well organic matter, and they have sand and garden soil and some peat. I don't have a dwarf variety, so I use the tropic variety, the hibiscus tropic. They like tropic regions and other regions. Hibiscus, you can report every year with the soil nutrients. A soil that is moisture retentive while allowing drainage is very ideal. Hibiscus is a flowering shrub of the mallow family. The shrub is native to the tropics and other regions that enjoy tropic-like climates. Hibiscus plants cannot tolerate extremely cold or freezing conditions. The bloom are large, showy, and they are really perfect for when you want a showy or even tropic look, or you can make a bonsai. In summertime, you can water the plants daily. You can chip out the plant. The plant can be pruned to shape or desired shape. You can make any shape. जबा बिबारा समायनाथार बिबार आरो बियो गोबां कालारनि दङ आरो हाइब्रिड कालार फिसा गाहाय जात गोजौ जात आरो बियो समायनाथार आरो बियो बन्साइ बानायनो थाखाय जोबोद मोजां जायो नाथाय बन्साइ बानायनायाव एसे केयार नांगौ आरो बेनि वायारिं खालामनो एसे टान जायो नाथाय एसे गोब्राब जायो नाथाय बानायनो हागोन आरो माल्टि कालार प्लान्टबो बानायनो हागोन बेखौ माल्टि कालार लाइफां बानायनो हागोन बेयो ग्राफ्टिं खालामनायजों बाथ्रा गुबुन गुबुन कालारखौ गुबुन गुबुन बिबारनि कालारखौ मोनसे लाइफाङावनो बेखौ ग्राफ्टिं बानायनो हायो माने मोनसे लाइफाङावनो मोननै मोनथाम कालारनि बिबार बारनाय खालामनो हायो I have pruned the branches, and maybe it is a little hard prune, but still they are looking so good, and they will develop to good desired shape. So I have left out some stems for they are looking good. So maybe if I get enough time, I will do other video how to step by step wise. So please do subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you.